In this guide, I'll show you how to find missing or deleted games on your PS4. So first, ensure you're signed in on the correct PlayStation Network account, and then we're going to go to Library. From Library, scroll down on the left sidebar to Purchased, and this is where you'll be able to find all the games and applications you've purchased on this PlayStation Network account. So if you can't find the game that you purchased on this account, what I recommend you do is press and hold the PlayStation button on your controller, and from Power, scroll over and select Switch User. Then sign in onto your other PlayStation Network accounts to see if you can find that game. Now, if on your home screen you see a locked icon beside a game, this likely means you need to restore your licenses. So scroll up and scroll over to Settings, and from Settings select Account Management. Then scroll down and select Restore Licenses, and go through with this process. Now, if there's still a lock on the specific game you're trying to play, this likely just means it's owned by a different account, and you'll need to sign into it before you can play it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.